In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt charts and the timeline view in Asana, leveraging Instagantt for maximum efficiency. Let's dive right in to help you visualize and manage your projects like a pro. First, you'll want to open your project in Asana. Start by navigating to Asana and selecting the project you wish to work on. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, as having multiple teams may lead to confusion if you're in the wrong one. Once you've confirmed that you're in the right spot, it's time to move on to transposing your view. To switch to the timeline, which is essentially a Gantt chart view, look towards the top of your project window. You'll find a tab labeled Timeline. With just a click, your tasks are laid out in a Gantt chart format against a calendar backdrop. This visualization is perfect for quickly assessing the project's schedule and understanding task durations. Next, ensure that all your tasks are ready to be showcased on the Gantt chart by adding dates. Tasks that lack a start or due date simply won't appear in this view, so it's essential to fill in those details. Add both the start and end dates to every task to have them positioned on the timeline accurately. This helps you visualize the entire project's timeline and instantly see when each task kicks off and when it wraps up. Once your tasks are on the timeline, you might find the need to make adjustments. You can effortlessly tweak taskbars directly on the chart. By clicking and dragging these bars, you can alter start and end dates, extend the duration of any given task, or reorder them visually. These tools are handy for ensuring deadlines are realistic and tasks are in the optimal order for project flow. Creating dependencies is another powerful feature you have in this view. Simply hover over a taskbar until you notice a dot at the edge. By dragging this dot to another task, you can set dependencies, effectively linking tasks in a sequence. Say, Task B starts only after Task A is completed. This step will help in tracking task order and identifying potential bottlenecks. For better organization, consider using sections or custom fields to group tasks. You can also apply different colors to tasks depending on their category. Design tasks can be blue, while marketing can be green. This makes it easier to distinguish between types of tasks at a glance. Adjust your view as needed. You can zoom in or out to display your timeline by days, weeks, months, or even quarters, depending on the scope of your project. This flexibility allows you to get as detailed or as high level a view as necessary. Finally, track your project's progress closely. Use milestones, which are represented by diamond icons, to earmark key deadlines. It's easy to identify overlaps or potential delays simply by scanning your chart. Keep an eye on your task dependencies, as any holdups in one task can pose risks to others that are linked, helping you to proactively manage any issues before they escalate. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your projects using Gantt charts and the timeline view in Asana and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and let's get busy optimizing your project management.